What's up, Adventure Buddies? Welcome back to Cooking with G Muffin. On this episode, we're gonna be cooking brownies with a peanut butter twist. Before we get started, we have a quick announcement.
So, guys, we actually do TikTok now. We're trying to get to 1K, so tell your friends and family about us.
But before we get started, let's cue that intro. And remember, let's wash our hands first. So this recipe is gonna be a basic brownie mix. However, we're gonna make it a little peanut butter twist to make it interesting and that much more delicious. So what you'll need is a brownie mix. Make sure to follow the instructions on the back, as some may be different. For us, we need the mix in vegetable oil and a little bit of water. Now let's go preheat the oven to 350. So this recipe calls for dumping our brownie mix into the bowl. Make sure to get the scissors if it's tough. Then we add 3/4 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And now we stir it all up. Now you're going to spray the cooking spray on the pan. And now let's pour the brownie mix into the pan. And now for the best part, the peanut butter twist. So what you do is you get 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Now for 1/4 cup of powdered sugar into the bowl. And now let's stir it up. Next, we put the peanut butter into the microwave for 30 seconds. Now, after the microwave, you take your peanut butter and put 1 spoonful of peanut butter into the brownies. And make it in little columns. You can mix it all together if you want swirls. But I'm gonna stick with just putting it at the top. And now we're ready to put this into the oven, the brownies into the oven. Alexa, set the timer for 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
Now it's time to do the dishes. Wait, don't tell Mom. This is my favorite part. Okay guys, now it's time to take it out. That looks good. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Cooking with G Muffin. Hopefully you'll like these brownies with a peanut butter twist. And remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with? Yay, all of these are for me again.
Wait!